Hi there, I'll talk a little bit about our waterfalls and show Estonian winter today. As always, I'll start with the most basic vocabulary. I must say I like the English version waterfall somehow so much more than Estonian juga. Juga. As the word is so different in plural, I decided to dedicate for it the whole new slide. The word waterfalls is translated as joad. Joad. In Estonia it has been agreed that there has to be at least 1 meter where water can fall freely to call it juga. Juga. Waterfalls originate from either a river, a stream, or a ditch. A river is jõgi. Jõgi, in plural jõed. Jõed. A stream, which is smaller than a river, is oja. Oja, in plural ojad. Ojad. A ditch is man-made and called kraav. Kraav, in plural kraavid. Kraavid. The waterfalls here are located in northern Estonia. Siinsed joad asuvad Põhja-Eestis. Siinsed joad asuvad Põhja-Eestis. This is because of the cliffs. A cliff is called pankrannik here. Pankrannik. Some Estonian words have several meanings and pank is one of them. It's a steep formed by the destructive action of waves, but also a bank. Let's take a closer look. Vaatame veidi lähemalt. Vaatame veidi lähemalt. Looking at where the waterfalls are located, we can see the correlation with cliffs. The most known one is probably Jägala juga. Jägala juga. Jägala juga is the tallest natural waterfall in Estonia. There are taller ones, but they are located at the mouths of drainage ditches, thus they're not considered natural. Looduslik. Looduslik. The height, kõrgus of Jägala juga is approximately 8 meters. Its width, laius exceeds 50 meters, so it's also the widest natural waterfall in Estonia. Jägala juga has been under nature protection since 1959. What's also special about that waterfall, in winter between the overhanging ice and the waterfall wall, a tunnel passage may form enclosed by ice from both sides. Mõlemalt poolt. Mõlemalt poolt. The next very popular waterfall in Estonia is Valaste juga. Valaste juga. First we were greeted by a completely frozen tree. Jäätunud puu. Jäätunud puu. Just look at it. Lihtsalt vaata seda. Lihtsalt vaata seda. I've never seen anything like this. Ma ei ole kunagi midagi sellist näinud. Ma ei ole kunagi midagi sellist näinud. Valaste juga is about 30 meters high, so it's the highest in both Estonia and the Baltic states. Following the competition held in 1997, a viewing platform, Vaateplatvorm, was built next to the waterfall. In 1999, a spiral staircase was also added. In April 2010, the platform was closed to visitors as high water had washed away the soil around its foundation and the platform was considered dangerous. Ohtlik. The previous construction was demolished only in 2018 when a new staircase was built. Not far from Valaste there's Saka juga. Saka juga is also known as Kivisilla juga. It's located on the land of the former Saka manor. Saka mõis. We also visited Nõmmeveski juga. It's located between Võsu and Viru Raba and is one of the attractions of the long hiking trail. It's just 1.2 meters high, but rapid, kiire, and the most water-rich waterfall in the area. Nearby, lähedal, is the hydroelectric plant. It was completed in 1927, but destroyed by fire in 1964. But now I invite you to enjoy Estonian winter from the comfort of your home. That's all for today. Aitäh! Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!